Threading needles can be so frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry or your eyesight isn't what it used to be. We've all been there, trying to poke a tiny piece of thread through an even tinier hole. But with this simple trick, you will make the easiest needle threading tool ever. Grab a clothespin, any kind will do. Next, take a copper electrical wire and carefully remove a single bristle from the cable. Be sure to handle it with care. Now fold that bristle in half until it forms a small loop. Just make sure the loop is tight enough to hold something securely. Once you've got your loop ready, place it in the jaws of the clothespin, positioning it right at the tip where the pin closes. Take some adhesive tape and wrap it around the clothespin to lock the wire in place. Wrap it snugly so the wire doesn't move when you use it. Let's test it out. Pass the loop through the eye of a needle until it reaches the base of the clothespin. Then, take your thread and feed it through the loop. Now, gently pull the needle back through the loop. Did you see that? The needle is threaded instantly.